When love is new and the world is out reaching for you, we try hard to hold it on in our heart, but it slips through like soft drifting sand. But trying the